Alright, so this is a tune. Again, this song's 2 chords, the whole thing, verse and chorus. That's just E major and D major. And and this song is called Deep Side of Tomorrow. I was thinking that Rider might do good to come out of this tune. But anyway, yeah, so here we go. Silence deep in gold, river breaks free. Horizons fire, sunset, edges burn brightly. Making scams, making scars, blood runs freely. Ain't no truth in what I found. Wash away. Ain't no truth in what I found. Wash away. Back here in the verse, we'll play it 2 times. Separate the old times from tomorrow. Hunt down overhead, star-veiled solace. Sitting there is open, makes a full circle. Ain't no truth in what I found. Wash away. Ain't no truth in what I found. Wash away. 2 times, and I also improvise always. This last verse. It's kind of a trend. Usually think about something I see. I'm looking down there, and I'm wanting, saying there's no other way. Something that I find takes me back in time, back. I can't go back, even though I want it. Can't go. Ain't no truth in what I found. Wash away. Ain't no truth in what I found. Wash away. All right. That's the Deep Side of Tomorrow.